Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change our username in Perplexity AI. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to it right now, it's quite easy. Right here at the bottom left, you can see my username. I'm simply gonna click on it. This here is my username. Now I would like to change it. Well, it's quite easy. All you guys have to do is go to settings. Right next to your username, you will see the settings button right here. Click on it. And from here, you will be redirected to the settings page. Well, as you can see, there are multiple tabs like account, profile, API and others. But right now, what we need to do is simply stay in the account tab. From here, you can see the general tab and the account tab that we are looking for. Do note, from the account tab, you can change your avatar and your username. Right here, you can see my username, and right next to it, there is a button like this, that's edit. Click on it, and from here, you can simply change your username. I'm gonna change it right now. As you can see, I have changed my username. Once you are okay with it, simply hit on save. And guys, that is it. That's how we change your username in Perplexity AI. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.